Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to fix the error if you have a password request on your iPhone. Please, friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under this video, and also friends, write your comments after watching. And let's get started. So, friends, now I will show you the whole process in detail. First of all, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down and click on the Screen Time option. Next, also scroll down, and here you will need to go to Content Restriction and Privacy. After that, select the option iTunes and App Store Purchases. Next, friends, you will need to, first of all, see to it that these three items are connected. To do that, go to each of them and turn on the first option. If you have it enabled, I recommend that you toggle it this way. Once you've done that, you'll do that with all three options. Then go to the bottom here. You will need to enable the option to not ask for a required password. This way, friends, you will be able to fix the password request error on your iPhone. Hope this video helped you, friends. Please don't forget to put your likes, comments, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.